आपको मालूम है कि VARC में एक 99 परसेंटाइल या अच्छी परसेंटाइल लाना बहुत जरूरी हो गया है, बिकॉज वाइल यू नो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू हैंडल QA और DILR, यू नो कि अगर VARC अभी भी इंप्रूव नहीं करी तो मेरी परसेंटाइल गई, ओवरऑल परसेंटाइल पे इंपैक्ट होगा. वेल, इन दिस वीडियो माय ऑब्जेक्टिव इज दैट इफ यू आर somebody who thinks that VARC is your weakness, how can you change that mindset, solve some very crucial problems which you are facing, and reach a stage by the end of this video that where you'll be saying that yes yaar, VARC I'll be able to crack because now I know कि मेरी VARC में exactly problems क्या है. See, again, my objective in this video is not to give you just 5 tips for VARC and 7 tricks for VARC that you should read Hindu, this and that. While all of that is good, but you need to know one step back कि why am I doing what am I doing. If I'm saying VARC मेरी weakness है तो भैया weakness क्यों है, और वो particular problems जो उसको weakness बना रही हैं उनको solve करने के लिए मुझे क्या intentional चीजें करनी होगी. Everything which you do right now for your CAT prep needs to be very strategic, very intentional, which is what I'll be speaking to you in this video. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. This is going to be a very detailed video like all of the videos you've seen by me. My style is to give you a complete rundown so that by the end of this video आपको कोई और सवाल शक शुबा ना रहे, आपके सारे सवाल इस वीडियो में सॉल्व हो जाएं, and by the end of this complete video on VARC 99 percentile strategy you feel confident that yes, now I know exactly what my problems are and how to solve them. Starting off, the first thing is very important. I want to address ये वीडियो किसके लिए है भाई. ये सबके लिए नहीं है, ये सबके लिए नहीं है, ये वीडियो उनके लिए है if you are scoring below a 95 percentile in VARC in your mocks. I hope you are writing mocks. I hope somebody who's watching this is a serious student and you have already started to write mocks, to take mocks. If not, if you're somebody who's just starting with your CAT prep, then for you this is important. You should watch this video. मगर अगर आपकी 95 परसेंटाइल से ऊपर आ रही है तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. आप इसको पॉज करके जा सकते हैं. देखिए, I will never say to you that you know my video is very important and it is for everybody, you know, just for the sake of views and likes and these things. I will not say कि पूरी देखना इसमें कुछ मिलेगा, मिल जाएगा, मगर the problem is तुम्हारी अगर 95 परसेंटाइल ऑलरेडी आ रही है मॉक्स में तो तुम जिनको भी फॉलो कर रहे हो, जिनकी भी स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ यू आर ऑपरेटिंग, वो तुम्हें बहुत अच्छी हेल्प कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें उससे चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, कभी अगर फ्यूचर में परसेंटाइल्स नहीं आ रही हो और तुम्हें लग रहा हो नहीं यार ये स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं थी सही, तब दोबारा आना. दैट इज व्हाई सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. Whoever is watching, subscribe because we'll be delving deeper into VARC, not just how to study for it but also the attempt strategy of the exams. That is important. Now also this video is for you if you're somebody who's facing any of these problems, because in my last 9 or 10 years of being in this space I know these are the most common problems in VARC. Sir, my speed is very slow. Sir, I am not accurate. Sir, वो लास्ट में 2 होते हैं ना ऑप्शंस, उसमें मुझे समझ नहीं आता कौन सा क्या है. सर, वो कभी भी सॉल्व नहीं होता मेरे से. या फिर सर RC फिर भी ठीक है बट सर पैरा जंबल्स और पैरा समरी और पैरा ये कंप्लीशन मेरे से होते ही नहीं, से समझ नहीं आते. अगर ये भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं आपकी, ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. देन वॉच दिस कंप्लीटली. अगर आपकी 95 परसेंटाइल से ऊपर मॉक्स में आ रही है, ये वीडियो आप अभी छोड़ के जाइए. प्लीज सेव योर टाइम. द प्रॉब्लम इज जितने ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड एजुकेटर्स आ गए हैं, इतना कंटेंट हो गया है दैट नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट नॉट टू वॉच, बिकॉज योर टाइम इज प्रेशियस. यू माइट नॉट स्कोर वेल बिकॉज यू वॉच्ड सो मच कि अब आपको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि क्या सही है. सब सही है, मोस्ट लाइकली सब सही है. यस, कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं which somebody will say which are not right, which is why I always, whenever I find somebody who's saying something which is not right, I always speak it out in my video कि यार वो एक देखी थी मैंने वीडियो, उसमें पता नहीं क्या बोला है, that is wrong, you should not follow that. That I do. Moving on from there, now it is important for me to first of all take you through CAT का जो एग्जाम है वो क्या है. You would know this already but this is important. Watch this again because from here I will be establishing some important things when I'll be sharing with you strategy. And obviously if you're somebody who's new, who's just started to study for CAT, this is तो extremely important. देखो सीधी सी बात है, VARC VARC 24 questions which you have to solve in 40 minutes. That's that. DILR has 20 questions which you have to solve in 40 minutes. QA has 22 questions which you have to solve in 40 minutes. Overall 66 questions in 2 hours. That is the equation, and the marking scheme +3 for the correct answers, -1 for wrong answers, and in the theta questions, even if your answer is wrong, then you do not get a negative score for that. If you do not know what theta is, please go ahead and search it online. In this video, I will not be explaining all of that. I am assuming that you know all of these things at least. Moving on from there again, let's now delve deeper into VARC की यार ये जो एक सेक्शन है जिसमें हमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, वो सेक्शन एक्चुअली है क्या एंड उसमें चीजें क्या क्या हैं. देखो सिंपल सी है चीज. 24 क्वेश्चन आते हैं VARC के, उसमें से 8 क्वेश्चन होते हैं VA इज व्हाट, वर्बल एबिलिटी. 16 क्वेश्चंस आर RC, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. RCs तुम्हारे स्कूल के एग्जाम्स में भी आते थे. सो RC इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट न्यू. जब आप क्लास 8th में थे, 9th में थे, 10th 11th, RC वहां पे भी आता था, हमेशा होता ही होता था. ठीक है, तो ये वही सेम चीज है, थोड़ा सा इसमें वो है. अब आगे आते हैं. VA के जो 8 सवाल होते हैं वो कौन कौन से होते हैं. नाउ इफ यू विल आस्क समवन एल्स, दे विल से दैट अरे उसमें ना इतने सवाल इसके होते हैं और 2 सवाल इसके और 2 सवाल इसके और 2 सवाल इससे. भाई हर साल ऐसा नहीं होता है. दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड टू वॉच गुड पीपल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम गुड, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट स्टेटमेंट. नाउ अगेन इन CAT 2023 8 सवाल थे, 2 each from para jumbles, para summary, para completion, odd one type. In 2022 there were 3 questions from para jumbles, 3 from para summary and 2 questions from para completion. However उसके एक साल पहले in 21 the 2 questions of para completion were not there. Instead of that there were 2 questions on odd sentence. This is broadly. However what my point to you is that ये जो 8 सवाल होंगे ये इन 4 में से ही आएंगे और कोई तीसरा या चौथा या 5th किस्म का क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, is what you should know. This is that. Now that you know that exactly VARC में क्या आता है, क्यों आता है, कैसे आता है, you need to now know कि यार देखो VARC में अगर आज तुम्हारा स्कोर नहीं आ रहा है तो what is the biggest problem which you are actually facing. VARC में तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है that you are weak. This is important. Nobody unfortunately is speaking to the students who are weak and helping them understand कि भाई तुम weak क्यों. Everyone is saying that अरे अगर तुम weak हो ना तुम ये कर लो, तुम ये कर लो, तुम ये कर लो. नहीं, let's step one step back and understand यार हम weak क्यों हैं. मैं उस पर भी आऊंगा कि क्या करना है क्यों नहीं करना है, but let me help you understand कि issues क्या हो रहे हैं. देखो सीधी सी है चीज. The biggest problem with VARC, and I can say this to you with experience, lots of experience. This is not even something which I'm just saying it कि अरे ऐसा होगा, नहीं, this is true. The biggest problem with VARC are 3 problems. The first one is actually the real deal. The first one is this, that भैया if VARC is your weakness, let me share with you something which might make you sad, but if VARC is your weakness, it is the most difficult to improve when compared with QA and DILR. अगर QA and DILR आपकी weakness है, वो आप ज्यादा जल्दी improve कर लेंगे as compared to VARC. The reason for that is here, that usually when somebody says that VARC is a natural strength for them, then it is their natural strength. वो उनका natural strength इसलिए था because उनकी अंग्रेजी हमेशा से अच्छी थी, या फिर in their schooling or in their UG their English got improved. That is why. For your kind information, when I was a CAT aspirant and even right now, VARC was my greatest strength, QA was my greatest weakness, DILR I used to do somehow. VARC was my strength because now when I see my English in my schooling was very good. I have studied from DPS Vasant Kunj and throughout my schooling my English has been superlative. In fact, in my English answer sheets, the teachers used to give me good and V good and 4 stars and 5 stars and all of those things. तो वो मेरे साथ क्लास 8th तक भी हुआ है कि वेरी गुड 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 ऐसा सब होता था मेरे साथ. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई न्यू कि वो नेचुरल स्ट्रेंथ है, बिकॉज मेरी अंग्रेजी सही हो गई है. अब अगर आपकी अंग्रेजी कमजोर है ड्यू टू वॉट एवर रीजन देयर इज, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट योर VARC becomes a much more difficult problem to solve, because then you have to solve the English problem. Now here is something which I have to say. I was watching a very famous YouTuber, and he said something which is wrong. He said that if your English is good, it does not mean that you will do very well in VA RC and that you will score well in it. Also, if your English is weak, does not mean that you cannot score well in VA RC. Half of the statement is correct, half of it is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. When he said that if your English is strong, does not mean that you will score very well in VA RC, that is correct. अगर आपकी अंग्रेजी अच्छी है, does not mean आप कैट के वर्बल एबिलिटी, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन में रॉकस्टार होंगे. क्यों? बिकॉज कैट में VARC इज इक्वल टू इंग्लिश प्लस क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. सो दिस इक्वेशन यू नीड टू हैव इन योर हेड. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपकी या आपके किसी फ्रेंड की अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छी है एंड दे स्पीक रियली वेल एंड दिस एंड दैट, डज नॉट मीन दैट दे विल स्कोर वेरी वेल in the CAT. However, the second part of the statement is wrong, that if your English is weak, even then you can score very well in VA RC. I do not agree with that. The reason why I'm saying is that because English plays a very crucial role in how quickly you understand what is there on your screen. अगर आपकी vocabulary weak है, अंग्रेजी बहुत weak है, problem होगी. While I'm saying all of this, I am not saying that you cannot solve it. I will be actually explaining to you how. But the second problem with all of this with VARC is also the following, that unlike your QA and your DILR, there is no theory, there is no formula. तो मतलब कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होगा एग्जाम में कि आपने सॉल्व करा कोई प्रॉब्लम एंड एट द एंड ऑफ इट यू हैव अ एग्जैक्ट आंसर दैट ओके इसका जो है आंसर वो है 18.2 एंड वो वहां पे सामने है ऑप्शन में. ऐसा कभी नहीं हो. सो फॉर समबडी हु डज नॉट enjoy when things are abstract, उनको प्रॉब्लम आती है बड़ी कि एब्सोल्यूट आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है. एब्सोल्यूट, दिस इज यूजुअली अ प्रॉब्लम विद द इंजीनियर्स, दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड एब्सोल्यूट आंसर्स एंड हेंस दे आर लाइक एब्सोल्यूटनेस नहीं आ रही, हेंस वी आर नॉट फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट. हेंस दिस पॉइंट दैट इन VARC द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इज दैट यू हैव टू बूस्ट योरसेल्फ अप. आपको कॉन्फिडेंस, एक एग्जाम में अगर आपने अच्छा भी कर लिया, इन द न्यू एग्जाम यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. यू कैन नॉट इवन फील कि यार उसमें अच्छा था तो यहाँ पे भी अच्छा आएगा. इट्स लाइक दैट. And the third problem with this is that VARC में कभी भी आपकी percentile stabilize नहीं हो पाती है for a long period of time. The maximum fluctuations which you'll see will happen in VARC because again the problem is that it's not absolute even for the ones who are scoring very high. For example, me, when I was an MBA aspirant some 5-6 years ago, 7 years ago in fact, my percentile in VARC, it used to fluctuate a lot, even though it was my strength. Therefore, these are the real problems which you have in this. Now, all of these problems, even if you are somebody whose English is weak and all of those things are a big issue, then here are the two things which are actually stopping you. And now you can forget everything else. जो भी मैंने अभी तक तुम्हें कहा, you can forget all of those things. Focus on these two things. There are only two things which will improve your scores from even a 0 to a 99, whatever percentile you can aim for yourself, you will get that provided you solve these two problems. What are these two problems? These two, the first one is your reading speed or your speed of solving or your speed of attempting the VARC. That is that speed. Broadly, it's about speed, and usually speed comes from the fact that your reading speed is weak. That's that. Also, the second problem, and in fact speed से ज़्यादा important problem है, your ability to comprehend, your ability to understand the English, and also your critical thinking. All of that is included in your ability to comprehend. If you understand one very important thing, every problem which you are facing in VARC is actually linked to these two problems only. Suppose you say to me कि sir, लास्ट में दो जो होते हैं ना ऑप्शंस, उसमें समझ नहीं आता कौन सा वाला सही है क्या नहीं है. सर वो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगेन दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ योर एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड, क्योंकि तुम वो दो ऑप्शंस के बीच का जो एक फर्क है दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई, हेंस दैट कम्स इनटू द एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड. ऑब्वियसली इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन VARC, द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट योर स्पीड इज स्लो. इन फैक्ट आई वुड गो टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ सेइंग दैट इवन योर स्पीड इज लिंक्ड टू योर your ability to comprehend. So if you were to actually ask me, इन दोनों problems में से भी actual problem सिर्फ एक ही है, which is problem number 2, ability to understand, comprehend. Because जितनी आपकी slow होगी वो ability, obviously your reading speed will also be slow. However, these are the two problems which you have to solve for yourself. Hello, this is very important. Everything which you now do in VARC has to be intentional, has to be strategic. It should solve for these two problems only. And now when I'll be giving you my daily strategy for you who's weak in VARC, you will completely understand कि अच्छा ये इसलिए कर रहा हूं मैं, ये इसलिए कर रहा हूं. My dear friends, I have seen this. I have helped hundreds of students in my last few years. Hundreds bhi kya, it's more than that obviously. I can tell you one thing very clearly. Students who do well, students who follow a strategy and get a 99 percentile in VARC or QA this and that, one of the reasons why they do well and they stick to the plan is because they realize the importance of the plan. That whatever we are doing in this plan, there is a reason for that and they understand the reason. Therefore, for me, it is not sufficient to just come and tell you कि बेटा ये कर लियो और ये कर लियो और बेटा ये कर लियो, ये कर लियो. उससे चलेगा नहीं काम. Watch this completely. Hence, that is extremely important. And secondly, I want to have a conversation with you. If you know, this has to be a conversation. Therefore, I would also advise you, go down in the comments and let me know what problems you are facing. And as you are watching this, अगर वो problems का solution आ रहा होगा आपके हाथ में, let me know that yes sir, this problem is solved. Let me know. If you further want to have a conversation, join my new Telegram group. In that group, I speak to the students. I reply in voice notes as well. So it's not that कि देखो आज मैं सुबह यहाँ बैठा हूँ और शाम को यहाँ बैठा हूँ. No, it's not a one-way channel like a lot of others are. It's a two-way channel. You can ask me things and I reply back in voice notes so that you understand it completely. That is why let's have a conversation about this. If there is something in this which you may not like, कि यार सर ये बात क्या बोल रहे हो, तो ये थोड़ी ना होता है ऐसे. Go there, let me know. नीचे बताओ यार सर ये सही नहीं है. अब आते हैं कि जी इन दो प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कैसे किया जाए. सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम 1 which is of speed. ये जो तुम्हारी स्पीड वाली है इशू की सर my speed to read or my speed to solve is a problem. How do we improve that? How do I maximize the number of attempts I am making in VARC? That is that. इसके दो ही उपाय हैं. Do them. Do them. You will solve your speed problem. Again, one step backwards. The biggest problem when I see with students who are not able to attempt sufficient number of questions in VARC, I have realized that the problem is that they do not have the exact clarity of how much समय they have in the VARC. उनको time clarity नहीं होती है. लिख लीजिए इसको कहीं पे, time clarity in VARC. It is important. What is that? अब ये बहुत important है. Hello, watch this completely extremely important. Please understand this. VA has 8 questions. I have already informed you, and RCs are 4 RCs with 4 questions each, making it 16 questions from RC. And for this you have a total समय of 40 minutes, 40. ठीक है? You have to solve whatever you have to solve in this time frame. Now here is the thing. I hope you agree with me that for you to attempt these 8 VA questions which you should attempt, you need to give yourself at least 10 minutes. Is that fair? I am saying at least 10 minutes. मान लो because इसके अंदर तुम्हारे वो वाले questions भी आते हैं. कौन से वाले? टीटा वाले questions. तो assuming कि चलो तुमने ये कर लिया, assume कि यार मतलब टीटा questions में ना I'll not be applying my head, I'll just answer it like 2, 3, 4, 1 और ये सब करके मैं आ जाऊंगा. उसके बावजूद भी do you agree with me or not that for you to do a good amount of work in VARC, you need to give it the respect of at least 10 minutes from your 40 or not? If yes, then give me a yes. If yes, hit the like. That's that. And which means that at max to your RCs you can give not more than half an hour, 30 minutes. Hello, this is important. अब ये चीज is a very, see, it's a extremely simple thing. इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं कहा है कि अरे ये करना है, but I hope तुम्हें माइंड में अगर अभी तक तुमने इसको ऐसा देखा नहीं था, I hope you are getting the clarity. This is what I call time clarity. कि तुम्हें मालूम भी है how much time you have to spend. Think like this. This is important. Now, and nobody else is actually speaking about this. See, my saddest part is everyone someone who's making a lot of content is speaking about 7 tips and read this paper and मैंने ये करा था, मेरे 99% है, ये अच्छी बात है, but let's speak about you. Now here's the thing. अब अगर 30 मिनट मैक्सिमम है, मतलब आरसी में जितने भी करने हैं सॉल्व, चाहे ऑल करने हैं ये करने हैं, अगर 30 मिनट हैं, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज देयर आर 4 RCs per RC you have not more than 7.5 minutes. I hope you understand. And if per RC, what does it mean? That you have to read the RC and you have to solve the 4 questions, which means that I would assume that approximately you cannot afford to spend more than 3 minutes in reading the RC and at max 4.5 in solving the 4 questions. कुछ ऐसा ही होगा obviously. Now hello, do not come to me and say कि ये क्या बोल रहे हो आप, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि कैट में सारे सवाल थोड़ी ना सॉल्व करने होते हैं. एंड देखो, मुझे किसी ने भी लिखा भी था एक ने कि कैट में तो आधे ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने होते हैं, एज इफ देयर इज दिस थिंग. बट ओके, आई एम नॉट saying that you have to solve all RC. Ideally, if VA RC is your strength, you should solve all questions. You should have that ability कि I can solve all questions. I am saying assuming you solve all questions, this is the broad framework which you need to keep in your this thing in your head. Obviously, if you're choosing to leave one RC fully, then you can absolutely improve these times for yourself. मतलब you can spread it out a bit. But you should start off with this time clarity that assuming I will be solving all 24 questions, then I have to really understand that VA के लिए मुझे 10 तो निकालने ही पड़ेंगे separately. RCs I have to finish in at max half an hour. If I'm finishing RCs in at max half an hour, then 7:30 से मेरे पास ज्यादा नहीं है to spend on one RC. This in itself is a beautiful thing for you to have in your head, because now when you'll be attempting your next exam, you will not waste your समय on one question. You'll be like, यार हो जाएगा. नहीं, अगर नहीं समझ में ना, आगे बढ़ो, फिर आ जाना दोबारा, because तुम्हारे पास समय नहीं है. That is that. Now when you know this time clarity, my dear friend, everything changes, because as I said, when you are appearing for your next test, this would really change the way you attempt that mocks, and you would opt and you would see this कि तुम्हारे number of questions you attempt will improve. This will happen. Come back to this video after a week and say to me कि yes sir, it improved. मैंने ज्यादा attempt करे because मैंने ऐसे अप्रोच करा. बहुत जरूरी है. पहली प्रॉब्लम तो स्पीड की यही है कि तुम्हें बस एहसास ही नहीं था कि कितना समय चाहिए होता है. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम है कि भैया तुम्हें मैच प्रैक्टिस नहीं है. तुम्हें सब एहसास है, थ्योरी पढ़ ली, वीडियोस देख ली 10 लोग की, अब बिकॉज और कुछ काम नहीं है तुम्हारे पास, तो अब एक के बाद एक, कभी मैंने देख ली उसकी वीडियो, फलाने की वीडियो, फिर इस ढिमकाने की वीडियो, फिर अभी वो नई कोई लड़की आई है उसकी भी देख ली, वो जो एक आया ना वो नया उसकी भी देख ली. अब तुम्हारे पास यही काम रह गया देखने का. दैट इज वाई वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में मैंने कह दिया था, अगर परफॉर्म कर रहे हो मेरी वीडियो मत देखना, इतना समय तुम्हारे पास नहीं है भाई. आई हैव बीन विद अ रेप्यूटेबल इंस्टीट्यूशन, आई हैव वर्कड फॉर अ रेप्यूटेबल इंस्टीट्यूशन. I am not a influencer first, so my strategy is not I want more views, you know, ऐसा हुक डालते हैं that they should watch the full video. नहीं यार, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कह दिया अगर ये हो तो मत देखना. आगे आते हैं इस पे. मैच प्रैक्टिस मतलब क्या? मॉक टेस्ट नहीं लिख रहा है, सीधी सी बात है, उसका क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है यार? VRC प्रेप में कोई थ्योरी नहीं होती, कुछ नहीं होती. the only prep you can do, the only study for VRC which you can do is by mock test. Or I should phrase it again that yes, while you have a few things to study also, which I will be explaining here, so stick around up till the end, the real practice, more than 50% of the practice for VARC will be happening when you will take a mock test, you will be analyzing it, and you will take more sectional tests. That is why taking a test series early on is very important, because तभी आप ये कर पाओगे, otherwise आपकी VARC improve नहीं होगी. And the thing is you have to solve RCs daily. भैया 24 में से 16 सवाल अगर RC हैं, आप RC को इग्नोर करके तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. RC becomes much more important than VA as well. Also, now here is one very interesting thing which nobody else will say to you. If you focus more on RCs, you will realize very soon even your PJs, your PS, your all of those things which come in VA, even that will improve. Why? अगर तुम्हारी ability to comprehend, एक पूरा पैराग्राफ को comprehend समझने की ability improve हो गई, obviously in those VA ones you will be actually be able to solve it in a much more efficient manner, because you will be able to know क्या है, ये सेंटेंस इसके बाद आएगा, ये सेंटेंस इसके बाद आएगा, ऐसे, because अब तुम्हें समझ में ज्यादा आ रहा है. therefore VARC में RC की प्रैक्टिस तो भाई डेली कैसे करनी है, एक सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी. बिकॉज अगेन आई हैव सेड दिस थिंग, स्पीड तब आएगी जब टाइम की क्लैरिटी है. दिस प्रेप हैज टू बी टाइम बाउंड. यू हैव टू स्पेंड ओनली हाफ एन आवर. वाई हेलो? बिकॉज 40 मिनट VARC के हैं, उसमें से 30 मिनट से ज्यादा आप आरसी पे अफोर्ड कर सकते नहीं है. प्लीज सिम्युलेट योर रियल एग्जाम स्टोरी इन योर प्रैक्टिस एज वेल. टेक हाफ एन आवर से कि यार रोज वीआरसी सिर्फ हाफ एन आवर करना है, सॉरी रोज आरसी सिर्फ हाफ एन आवर करना, एंड उसमें से सपोज इफ यू आर वेरी वीक और इफ यू आर जस्ट नाउ लाइक स्टार्टिंग ऑफ, योर एम इज कि अगले 2 हफ्ते तक मुझे उस हाफ एन आवर में आई हैव टू सॉल्व 2 आरसीज ईच, मैक्सिमम 2 मारनी है. हाँ, अगर कभी 3 हो रहा है अच्छी बात है, वेरी गुड, बट 2 तो करनी. अगर ठीक ठाक हो उसमें देन 3 का एम होना चाहिए. एंड अगर रॉक स्टार हो, इफ यू आर somebody who claims that yes yaar VARC is my strength, then operate with the headspace that yes, in those half an hour I have to solve all 4. That is why time clarity will, and obviously you have to keep on improving, keep on improving. If right now you can solve only 2 RCs in half an hour, quickly reach a point where you can solve 3 RCs. Please do not be कि यार अब 2 हो रहा है ना, अब हर बार यही करता रहूंगा. 2 comfort zone में मत आ जाना. Please make it 3, please go for 4. You need to solve 4. I would go to the extent of saying अगर 99 परसेंटाइल लाना है, आरसी सारी करके आनी है, वीए भी मोस्टली सारा करके आना है. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल. आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दिस इन ऑल ऑफ माय यूट्यूब वीडियोस. वीए आरसी यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट ऑल. आई विल बी स्पीकिंग अबाउट दिस अगेन व्हेन आई विल बी शेयरिंग माय स्ट्रेटजी. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2, योर एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्रूशियल. यू हैव टू सॉल्व फॉर योर एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड. हाउ डू यू क्विकली अंडरस्टैंड द इंग्लिश एंड हाउ कैन यू फटाफट से think about it, which is what, which is called critical thinking. That's that. 5 ways, 5 steps, 5 things which you can do for it. What you have to do, first thing is that please you need to start to see VARC from the expert side. How does somebody who's an expert in VARC, how do they read the RC? When they're reading the RC, what exactly is which they can spot in the RCs which I am not able to spot? Hello, understand this. बहुत students की problem ये होती है that when they come to solve a question, they have to go again to the RC and यार अच्छा एकदम से फिर से now from the start I have to read that. Obviously then तो you'll never be able to do it. Which means what? That whenever you are skimming through the RC, or okay, I would be creating a separate video on the attempt strategy for VARC. Subscribe to the channel if you've not. My point is that when an expert reads an RC, they are able to spot things which eventually help them solving the questions faster. For that you need to watch more content in which experts are trying to help you understand how do you read an RC. For this, the undisputed leader for this is Jijo Srinivas. Watch his channel. He is a faculty with CL. He is the best. You know him already, I am sure. In fact, I would help you by sharing the links to 2 videos you can start off with, and I would be sharing the links of that in the description. Start off with those videos. One is going to be on RC, one is going to be on VA, and his entire YouTube channel is on VARC. Beautiful things वो कर. Once you've seen all of those content, then come back and apply those strategies and outlook on the previous year CAT questions. वहां जाओ. This is a non-negotiable. Previous year questions you have to solve irrespective you are a rock star, you are a stud. वो करना है because they help you calibrate your prep. They help you understand कि अच्छा CAT में किस किस्म के सवाल आते हैं, ये तो तुम मिस कर सकते नहीं हो. Therefore my advice is solve a few on your own, but then if you're seeing कि यार नहीं solve हो पा रहे और नहीं हो रहे and यार मैंने तो ये आंसर करा था but then go back and watch his channel and you'll understand the approach for an RC for VA, and then you should come back and solve it again. That is extremely important. If this helps you, and if you still think that नहीं यार my VA is still weak, my RC is still weak and अभी भी कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है, but if you feel that हाँ यार इसमें कुछ मतलब बात थी है, इससे at least कुछ हुआ improve, then I would go ahead and say go ahead and even enroll for this course called VARC 1000 by Jijo himself. This is again an undisputed course. It is sold by CL. In fact, when I was the MBA product head at CL, I was the one who actually launched it. तो ये मेरे सामने का product है. I know this is top notch. And forget me, students swear by it. You can go ahead and search it online. Students swear by it. This is an undisputed program. In fact, a lot of others have started to then create a similar kind of this thing, but this is still the leading program on that. So if this helps you, if his style of explanation and everything will help you, go for it, because then this is the ultimate. यहाँ पे आके तो तुम अच्छा स्कोर लाओगे ही. अगर यहाँ पे भी नहीं मतलब हुआ हुआ, then it's a much larger issue then, but this is that. Fourth thing is that mock analysis करिए and please watch whenever a faculty is attempting that. If you are enrolled for a good mock test, and आजकल ये हर mock test में होता है that a faculty would go ahead and attempt it. Watch that, because again that will give you the expert's eyes that how do they read the RC, how do they approach it. जरूरी है, VARC अंग्रेजी भी weak है, but if you start to see things from the expert's eyes, that will help you. Hello, I hope this is clear. Please scribble it down somewhere, expert's eyes. And I've shared 4 ways in which you can start to see VARC from expert's eyes. And fifth point is very important. Reading के लिए तुम्हें 2-3 चीजें करनी होगी. अखबार उठाओ, Hindu or Business Standard. These two will give you a complete reading experience. Now, usually in somebody else's this thing, this is usually the first point. Kiji, how do you improve your VA and RC? And the first thing which they say to you is that you should go and you should study Hindu and read this. ये मेरे वीडियो में last point है. ये last point है because all of these points here are much more strategic and far more important. See, Hindu वैसे भी तुम्हारे लिए important है because that will help you form opinions. It will help you improve your GK when you will be going to your MBA admission interviews. It will help you in all of that as well. And online में go and read Aeon essays. You would have heard about this. This is the place from where a lot of CAT RCs also come from. This is true, and they have very rich quality, high quality RCs. Read them. How it will help you is that it will give you the help in reading faster, and also you will understand much more important things in that. तुम्हारा ability to quickly understand improve हो जाएगा. Also, reading things on your screen is important because you need to build that habit that can you read off the screen. वो जरूरी है because your eyes should not feel कि अरे यार नहीं देख पा रहे, नहीं समझ आ रहा, नहीं. वो बहुत that is extremely important. So hence all of these small things are extremely important and crucial. From there, now I will give you the preparation strategy. I have solved these 2 major issues for you. Now you need to know that okay, how do you incorporate it in your strategy. हर रोज सुबह उठ के whether you have office or work or not, your day has to start with newspapers. This is for all MBA aspirants. तुम्हारी VRC ठीक भी है नहीं, चलो VRC बहुत अच्छी है तो फिर at least you can skip it, but you should not skip it. I'll tell you why, and this is where I was not doing something good. Because my VARC was good, because I was scoring exceptionally well, I never read the papers, which created a problem for me later towards the end when I was going for the MBA admission interviews, and अब मेरे पास ज्ञान नहीं था पिछले 1 साल में क्या हुआ है मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था. Therefore, do not make the mistake which I have made. Please develop a habit of reading papers every day. It will help you throughout your life, not just for MBA interviews, throughout your life. Now I read papers. That's that. And remaining part of the day, यार for VARC you need only 1 hour a day. मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा कि जी 2 घंटे तो चाहिए ही चाहिए उसमें ये करना है. इसमें बहुत सिंपल अप्रोच है. I will give you a strategy which you can use on alternate this thing. That first day करा आपने ये और फिर करा ये और फिर से आपस ने वो करा. On day 1 you have to split your 1 hour into half an hour and half an hour. That's that. In the first half an hour, as I've already explained to you, you will do time bound RC solving. Means in that half an hour, if you are very weak, if you're just now like starting off, try and attempt 2 RCs completely. If you're okay, then 3. If you're very strong in it, 4 RCs, and improve करते चले जाओ अपने आप को. And remaining half an hour में इसका analysis करना कि ये सही करा या फिर कुछ वो था issue. From wherever you can find these RCs, it could be from the study material of your coaching institute, it could be your sectional tests, it could be anything, but it has to be time based. Time होगा कि यार ये सिर्फ I have to do it in half an hour. That is how you will practice it. अगर तुमने करा कि जी 1 घंटा दे दिया सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ समझ के कोई फायदा नहीं. It's a waste of time. It's a way. Hello, I would go to the extent of saying if RC is not time bound, it's a waste of time. Now you would ask me that sir, but जब first time कर रहे होंगे solve तो ज़्यादा important ये नहीं है कि slowly करें ताकि we can understand. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है कि first day उठे और एकदम कि चाहे solve हो रहा हो या फिर मतलब वो आपने तो बस ये बोल दिया करना, ऐसा नहीं है. उसी के लिए day 2 on the other day what you'll do is you will watch content, and in that you learn how to solve it. You will watch him solve it and then you will solve it slowly खुद से कि चाहे यार ऐसे पढ़ा मैंने पढ़ा, वो वाला काम यहाँ पे. every alternate day you will use this. This is what your strategy is. If you have to take a screenshot of this, you may take a screenshot of this. This is important. This now, I hope one thing you would appreciate about this thing is that कि ये मुझे, see, I could have simply just come and said to you, एक second, I hope हाँ अब दिखेगा तुम्हें. I could have simply come and said to you कि यार ये तुम्हारी स्ट्रैटेजी है, ये फॉलो करना ही है, एंड तुम्हें भी लगता वाजीवा बहुत अच्छी बात है. I had to do all that story telling and कहानी बाजी and this and that for me to get to this point, because now you will actually know कि इसकी importance क्या है, जो भी मैंने तुम्हें कहा. And now because you know the importance of this, now I am sure you will follow it like crazy, because now you have clarity कि हाँ यार उन सर ने मेरे को क्लैरिटी दे दी कि यार ये काम इसलिए कर रहे हो, इस दिन अगर तुमने हाफ एन आवर इसलिए स्पेंड करा, इसलिए. दिस इज व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज व्हाट यू एज अ स्टूडेंट नीड. इफ यू थिंक दैट यस दिस मेड सेंस, से दैट सर यस इट मेड सेंस, प्लीज मुझे मतलब आके प्लीज इन्फॉर्म मी, ऑल्सो ज्वाइन द ग्रुप, वहां पे भी बहुत कुछ होगा. एंड इफ यू थिंक यार क्या इतनी कहानीबाजी क्यों करनी थी, पागल हो गए हो क्या सर, कैसे क्या कर रहे हो आप लाइफ में, लिख दो ना आके कि यार ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. मुझे एक ने आके भी एक कोई था, उसने कहा अब आई एम उदयपुर वाले लोग कैट का ज्ञान देंगे, ऐसी भी होती है चीजें, तो वो लिखो. I enjoy it. So मतलब you can say all of those things, but that's that. Now finally coming to one last thing कि देखो यार all of this is good, जो भी मेरे को था यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्टिव हो गया, but I know because I have been in this field, I know अब next जहन में सवाल क्या होंगे तुम्हारे, तो वो ये सवाल होंगे. एक सवाल होगा बट सर आपने अच्छी स्ट्रैटेजी बताई, बट सर एक आवर भी नहीं मिल रहा है और वो कैसे करेंगे, हाउ टू फाइंड टाइम टू स्टडी फॉर कैट अलॉन्ग विद वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, दैट्स दैट. और प्रॉब्ली सर ये सब सही है बट सर वो अटेम्प्ट की स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होगी, क्योंकि सब मेरा ठीक है बट यार मतलब अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पा रहे. या फिर सर VRC तो क्या मैं QA और DI LR में भी वीक हूँ थोड़ा, कैसे करें सर क्या. और टाइम टेबल क्या होना चाहिए सर डेली का, ये तो बता दिया आपने फॉर VRC, बट अब सबका बताओ ना टाइम टेबल हो. अगर ये सवाल है आपके, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल बिकॉज आई नो द क्वेश्चंस यू हैव एंड वीडियोस ऑन दीज आर गोइंग टू कम ऑन माय चैनल. आई होप you had a good time understanding your problem in VARC, and now you're not feeling as scared about it because you have a game plan and action plan which will lead you to excellence, to 99 percentile in VARC. Now I'll go and sleep. Thank you and goodbye.